Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I am Sapphire. Welcome back everybody. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to tell you to stop using proteins often. You don't need proteins on every single month. Okay, and I'm going to explain why. But before I do that, I want to thank everyone who are here today. Thank you guys so much. It is a pleasure to be here before you, and I hope and pray that there's something that I say or perhaps that you see that will get you to come back for more. If you haven't subscribed, you see that subscribe button, click on it, press that bell, make sure that your notifications are on so you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, so let's get right into it because I know a lot of you are wondering what so yes, I did say stop using proteins often. You don't need to do a protein treatment every single month. Protein used often is the culprit for allowing your hair to dry up and break off. For real. It's more damaging than good. Okay? It does help our hair. If our hair is in need of proteins, meaning if your hair is damaged, severely damaged, like you have breakage or heat damage or even chemical damage, proteins will mend your hair back to health. Okay, but using them on a monthly basis is no good for your hair. Now, I did do a protein treatment a week before my relaxer, and I used my Alpha G. Okay, I use this is a medium protein. I left it in my hair for 5 minutes. That's it. It says 2, but I left it in for 5 minutes. You don't have to leave this particular brand in your hair 15, 20, 30 minutes. I've seen some people do that and their hair was very stiff and dry and it started breaking off a week after. Follow the directions. I know I left it on 3 minutes more, but it didn't do any harm to my hair. Okay, you don't have to use a medium or even a low protein for hours and hours and hours. Okay, all right. So that's what I did before a week before I got my relaxer. Okay, before me putting that protein in my hair, I think it was like 3 months ago, I did a protein treatment. And that's because my hair get dry in the winter time and I wanted to keep my hair hydrated. Now this is a deep conditioner, but it does have small levels of proteins in here. So I gave myself a protein treatment for that inclement weather, okay, to keep my ends of my hair hydrated, okay? So after this, I will not use any more proteins in my hair until I get my relaxer, and that won't be until November. So a week before I get my relaxer, I'm going to use this again. You get what I'm saying? So after you do a protein treatment, you need to follow up with a hair mask. They are better, okay? They coat the strands a little better. Deep conditioners are great. Don't get me wrong, but you want to use a hair mask. This is my favorite one right here. Okay, so I use this all year round because it works. I mean, it keeps my hair hydrated. It keeps my hair soft. It keeps moisture in my hair strands. It works for me. Okay, it may not work for everybody, but it works for me. So that's why I still use it. Okay, so you want to follow up with a hair mask. Okay, for about a good 20, 30 minutes under your hooded dryer. You understand? This will add extra hydration and moisture to the hair. So once again, you don't want to use proteins every single month because it is the culprit of allowing your hair to become damaged, okay, even further. So, but if you do have damaged hair, you do want to use a mild protein on every 2 months. I was going to say monthly basis, but you want to do it every 60 days, okay? Every 60 days, all right? And leave it on exactly what the scientists say, okay? All right? You can do it with heat or you can do it without heat. So when I do a protein treatment with my hair, trying to keep hydration in, I did do it with heat, and I never do a protein with heat in my hair because I think the cap and my scarf and me doing things around the house, I think that's enough. But that particular time I did do it, okay? But normally I don't. So The reason why you shouldn't use the proteins on a monthly basis, because it's damaging to the hair. It makes the hair stiffen up. It makes the hair dry out. It makes the hair fall off. It makes the hair break off. So if you see breakage in your hand, you need to step back and examine, what did I do? What am I doing? What am I using? If you're doing proteins on a monthly basis, that's the culprit. And if you're doing everything else in your hair care routine, but you're adding proteins every single month, this is the culprit. So stop using proteins every single month, okay? Because I was asked, this video was really highly requested, so that's why I'm doing it. I was supposed to do it before we went on vacation, but I didn't get a chance to. So I'm able to do it now, okay? So please, ladies, stop using proteins on a monthly basis. It's damaging your hair. Okay, if you have any more questions concerning anything that I use or do or routine in my hair, leave me some questions down here and I will do my best to give you the correct answer. Okay, thank you, ladies, so much. Lord's will, you will see me in the next video. God bless you. Mwah. Bye.